Today, we're sharing a look at the mass production of automotive aluminum alloy wheels by a leading Pakistani company. Not only is a wide range of high-end equipment readily available, even safety precautions are implemented, but the resulting products are both high quality and stylish. The quality is evident from the color of the aluminum, and it's likely a product of a large local company. Using aluminum as raw material for the wheels ensures consistent quality. The solid aluminum is first placed in a specialized melting furnace. Wait until they become liquid before pouring. During this time, the master will go to the adjacent workshop to organize the entire hydraulic mold set at the mold entrance. This allows for rapid assembly, significantly reducing the time required for traditional sandbox production and increasing efficiency by at least double. Molten aluminum is carefully poured into the mold's purge port. This process requires no technical expertise, and the key is to avoid burns. The transformation from aluminum nails to wheel rim blanks takes less than half an hour. This level of efficiency puts them at the forefront even among Pakistan's leading companies. Although the automated mold is relatively advanced, its age, exceeding 30 years, has led to a decline in fit accuracy. Therefore, to achieve sales quality swords, the rough swords require to lathe passes. The first rough pass removes excess material. The second pass is primarily to control wheel rim failure, which is crucial for determining the product's balance rate. The lathe used here is significantly more precise than the previous lathe. Simply adjusting the various processing parameters allows for automatic operation without any human intervention. The rims now have a finer finish. The workshop also has a professional testing station next door. Each product is tested before proceeding to the next process to ensure the failure rate meets the design requirements, preventing substandard products from entering the market and impacting the brand image immediately at the air nozzle drilling station. All necessary holes for installation must be prepared before painting. This ensures the details on the rims are nearly perfect. All processes are performed on an assembly line. Master Laoba in the paint shop is also busy working on the spray-on device installed at the bottom of the paint booth. I'm not sure what it's used for, but I think it's to reduce dust from clinging to the rims. After spraying, the rims are dried completely in the drying room before being moved to the wire drawing station. Wheel spoke table to shallow grooves created by using special tools are a recent decorative technique that enhances the finish. It's truly stunning, and after all these steps, the wheels look incredibly beautiful. Before leaving the factory, quality inspectors inspect them again. If they pass muster, they're labeled and packaged to ensure these exquisite products are scratch-free before they reach customers. The owner has put a lot of thought into the packaging. The factory entrance features a simple, easy-to-use design. The product display hall can be customized according to customer needs.